So I have a huge dent on the driver's side. Driver's side's back door for my F-150. I was parked in front of my restaurant, and somebody, I guess one of the customers possibly, drove in and hit my car and didn't even tell me, and they pretty much left without even notifying me, letting me know that they hit my car and they put a huge dent in my car. And it's kind of hard to see, but you should be able to see how the reflection is not consistent. It's pushed in. So I went to a body shop. They gave me a quote for $1,000 to fix this. Okay, so I said, you know what, screw that. I'm not gonna pay $1,000 just to fix a dent on my car. So I bought a suction cup from Harbor Freight, this thing right here. So I've heard that this works. You can pull the part that's dented, you can pull it out. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully this works. If I can figure that out, the scratch is easy. I can fix a scratch, but let's give this a shot, see if this actually works. All right, here we go. Better. There we go. Wow, look at that. It worked. All right. Let's get this side. Yep. Let's try this side. That worked too. Fixed. Look at that. It's fixed. Look at that. It's a perfect line that goes all the way through. So now I gotta fix this scratch.